here is RAM. Today I'm going to be installing this RAM into this computer. The computer doesn't have any RAM at the moment, so I'm going to need to slot this in here.
How many megabytes is it?
This is 256 megabytes of RAM, and this one here just slides into here. So if you have a look in the computer, it's just these strips here. You line them up with these black strips. Now be careful not to press it in too hard and make sure it's lined up correctly. If it's lined up correctly, you should be able to just press it in and it will click in. Once it's installed here, you have the option to install another one here, but for now we're just going to install this one here. Now this is the important bit. If there was no RAM installed in this computer, you would hear 2 beeps when it comes to load up. But if I don't get that, then I know the RAM is correctly installed. So let's switch on the computer and have a look. Okay, we have it loading. We don't have the 2 beeps, so that means the RAM is correctly been installed and the task is complete.